How do you change the color scheme in Bash on Ubuntu for Windows? I've tried to create color schemes with this URL and this URL, but I can't get any of their exports to work with Bash on Ubuntu on Windows. What's the correct approach to customize the colors in Boao?
The problem is not specific to Bash on Ubuntu for Windows, as the terminal is still provided by conos.exe. To change the colors, you can go into the defaults. And then you can click each individual color and change it to some other color. The process is somewhat confusing, because by clicking a color rectangle, you're changing what is selected as the screen background. So you first have to change that selection, adjust the color and then change the selection back to your desired background color. Overall, it is easier to just go with a different terminal or console emulator altogether. I personally use Komu now, which allows you to change color schemes much easier.
This is also a nice and easy solution from this URL. Append this to .bashark. And I found this useful too for Vim's readability.
(2019) solution. The official color tool from Microsoft can be used to change the overall color scheme, without having to set each color by yourself. Just download the zip file, search for Color Tool and LT, Month and GT, and LT, Year and GT, under Releases and extract the tool to any folder. Then run it from your Bash. Then you can easily import other color schemes in the item format, by placing a .item colors file in the schemes folder of the color tool.
Same solution as the others with some more explanation for people like me, this URL. You should find a Bashark and make a boo. Add 2 lines. Before change Vim also background to see correctly. At edit. You could do it this way, but it will not be permanent, and this variable will be deleted at the end of the session. To make it permanent you have to write it to a file that will be loaded at the beginning of a session, like the precedent. Bashark.